Let's go inside. I'll teach you a thing or two about momentum.
Sure, why not?
Hey, yo. Come on, this way.
Yo, but me and Michelle already know about momentum.
Yeah, what are you going to teach us something new?
Well, then we'll just make an educational video. We got time, might as well make the use of it.
Hey guys, this is Hooke's law. F equals kx. F equaling force of spring, k equaling spring constant, x equaling amount the spring compresses or expands. Okay, the rate that we pull the spring is the same rate the spring comes back. X equaling length now minus length at relaxed stage. We all know this. Large spring, rigid, example car shock. Small equaling soft, like a pen. Okay, our example was the car driving over the speed bump.
Car shocks are right now in a relaxed stage. As soon as it goes over the speed bump, the shocks are going to be compressed. As shown. Oh, keep going. Now the shocks are slowly being compressed as it goes over the speed bump. It's fully compressed, and as it goes over, now it's in a relaxed stage again.
The car's shocks are at its relaxed stage, 50 centimeters. As it reaches the peak of the bump, they are fully compressed. The mass of the car is 1000 kg, and the spring compresses 10 centimeters. Find the spring constant. F equals kx. 9.8 times 1000 equaling k times 0.1. K equaling 98,000.
Oh, hey guys. Momentum. We're going to look at momentum today, as we went over that before. Anyway, okay. P equals mv. That's the formula. That's the formula we're looking at today. P stands for momentum, measuring how hard it is to stop moving objects. M, mass, is the weight of the object. V, velocity of the object. There are many more momentum-based formulas, but I won't be looking at those. I'll pass it on to whoever's next. Momentum is a vector quantity measured in kg times meters per second or newtons per second. So we're going to have an example. Alright? Example, Michelle is running at 3.1 meters per second. Okay, look at this. 3.1. Yeah, we measured that. You getting this?
Yeah.
You getting this? Okay. And weighs... Oh, I spelled weighs wrong, I think. Did I spell weighs wrong?
No.
No, okay. 73.5 kg is how much he weighs. We also measured that. And he runs into Manjeev. What is his momentum just before contact? So, we're going to use P equals MV's formula. We're going to slap a whole bunch of terms in there that we calculated. See how we... 73.5? Right there? 33.1? So we're going to plug mass into the M. Mass into the M, 73.5. V, slap that into V, 3.1 right there. We're going to multiply. Multiply. It's going to give us 227.9 newtons. Slap those formulas into there.
Hey folks, Obi-Wan Kenobi here. Today I'd like to tell you something that I like to call impulse, which can be described over here as delta P equals force times delta T. Delta P is change in momentum, F is the net force, and delta T is change in time. Impulse is defined as a force multiplied by the amount of time it acts over. You can also use this formula as mv equals ft as an alternative. So our example that we have today for you guys is Manjot throws the ball that weighs 1.1 kilograms at Manjeev, who is standing 3.71 meters away.
Oh, hey guys, this is me and Manjeev. We're going to do some impulse right here. I'm going to chuck the ball in his belly. I'm going to calculate the speed and whatever and all that.
The impulse.
Yankle doodle.
Yankle doodle.
Impulse.
Hit me, baby, one more time.
takes 0.9 seconds, right here, to hit Manjeev and bounce back to a point that is 1.65, pardon me, from Manjeev. Find the net force. Mass is 1.1. V you can find by doing a couple of DBTs right here, which is shown when you get that a little bit right there. Yeah. So you calculate the total impulse velocity, which is 13.56, right there. And the time is 0.9 seconds. What is a force? Get that question mark. So we use the formula, but we don't have change of momentum. So we have to use the alternative, which I described before. Anyways, mv equals ft. M 1.1, v 13.56 equals f times 0.9. You do that, and you get 16.57 newtons as your force. There you have it, folks. Remember, may the force be with you.
It's your boy Bangs right here, and yo, thanks for listening to our video. My boy Obi-Wan Kenobi. Shaw couldn't be here today because he hurt all his bones in an accident.
Hitting Manjeev because he's so strong. Just so
Chuck Norris strong.
such,
Planning on getting him to fight Chuck Norris. It'll happen someday. Anyway, thanks.
such a stud.
Yeah.
Anyways, hope you feel better, Vishal, and to all the viewers, hope you guys learned something today.
It's your boy Bangs. Shout out to my boys in Sudan.
Shout out to my boys in space. May the force be with you guys. We also like to thank our special guest. Special guest Manjeev. Look at that dance. We'd like to thank him for all the examples. He put a... There we go.
It's your boy Bangs.
There we go. So impulse is defined as force multiplied by the time. Right over here. Is defined as a force multiplied by the amount of time it takes it acts over. I can't say the sentence, but I can't. Hey folks, it's Obi-Wan Kenobi here.
I think her name was Picard.
Hey guys.